Hi, my name is Jay Fernandez and I'm the sales executive of Peugeot, Pampanga. Today, we're gonna explore the Peugeot 3008 SUV Allure. Peugeot 3008 SUV presents a striking design with premium line materials. The current model has a Peugeot frameless grille with vertical line design with its aggressive look. Peugeot brand identity is the logo itself, the lion, king of jungle. Peugeot 3008 bumper has a 6-eye parking sensor for more safety and easy parking movement. Signature headlight with full LED illuminated Fang daytime running light. Under the hood, we have a 1.6-liter twin-scroll turbo high-pressure engine. It has a 165 horsepower and 240 torque. For our tire, we have 18 inches Los Angeles diamond alloy wheel with 225 by 55 R18 size of tire. A power folding adjustable side mirror with blind spot monitoring features. It also has a ground clearance of 198 mm. At the back, we have the full LED rear lamp with 3D claw design. You can also see the Peugeot logo design over here. It has a backup camera for easy and safety parking experience and 6-eye sensor to prevent collision when parking. Peugeot 3008 equipped with automatic tailgate. You can open by soft touch sensor, via remote, or keyless entry. It also has a boot capacity of 591 liter, but if you need more space, you can fold down the second row seat. Peugeot 3008 equipped with dual pipe aesthetic design with rear fog lamp for more visibility. Did you know that Peugeot has a keyless entry system using soft touch and key remote control? Peugeot has compact steering wheel with sporty looks, with tilt and telescopic adjustment. Behind the wheel, we have a manual mode for sports feel, and it has a cruise control and limit speed control. Peugeot dashboard designed with 12.3 digital heads-up display with 5 different modes to choose. Minimum, personalize, navigation, driving, and dial mode. It has also a toggle switch chrome design, piano key design for easy access to music, air conditioning, navigation, vehicle setting, Bluetooth, and media. It has also a wireless charging and an advanced grip control with 5 different modes. Peugeot 3008 equipped with a sports mode. It has a button. You can just press the sports mode button to feel the sporty looks of the car while driving. For our seat, we have a black leather with brown stitches for aggressive and stylish design. Peugeot 3008 has a 5 seating capacity. Peugeot 3008 equipped with a panoramic sunroof. For price and promo, you can avail the Peugeot 3008 Allure for as low as 1,870,000. And if you avail this unit, you can get a free Laus Group Cares 24/7 roadside assistance worth of 32,500 pesos and Upor Optic Tint. For inquiries, you may call or text us to 0999-223-0313, or you can visit our showroom located at the Laus Group Complex, Jose Habad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando.